Welcome back users. In today's video, we will see how to install Snap Store in Debian. So we all know Snap is the Ubuntu store, default Ubuntu store. So some users might want to install the Ubuntu store in Debian because it has got some packages which are not available in Debian system. Some latest packages are available in Snap uh, than Debian, but also there are some users who like the Snap applications installed in the Snap format, and many others like the Flatpak versions of the software the packages that are installed in Debian. So for that you have to open the terminal and type sudo apt install snapd. System will then read the package list, build dependency tree, read the system state information, and then it will suggest you first to remove some orphaned packages, like in my case the Linux compiler and Linux headers were orphan because I had installed a newer kernel than the 5.10 shown here. So it was giving me the option and then it gave me the message the following new packages will be installed, that is snapd. So you have to confirm. Once the confirmation is received by the system, it will download the snapd package and it will be get installed, and the system links shown in the uh, screen will be also updated. After that, it will you will have to install one dependency of the snapd, that is the snapd core. So in Ubuntu, snapd and snapd core both are installed by default. Here you will have to install the snap core after you install the snapd. And after both the packages snap and snapd and snap core are installed, you will have to restart your system and then let the snapd core sync and get updated. After that, you can use the snapd core, that is the snap store of Ubuntu in Debian. Thank you very much. Do subscribe to our channel, do comment, do like our videos, do let us know the different topics you want to see the videos on. We will try to make videos on those topics. Do not forget to click on the bell icon, otherwise you will miss our videos. I normally upload around 1 to 2 videos every day, so don't miss to watch our videos. Thank you very much. See you. Bye.